Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on Comment Daily Digest notifications on Instagram with the latest update. This feature is perfect for staying on top of all the comments on your posts without getting overwhelmed by constant alerts. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines icon, also known as the menu or hamburger icon, located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various aspects of your Instagram experience. Next, find and tap on Notifications. This section controls all the alerts you receive from Instagram. Inside Notifications, tap on Posts, Stories, and Comments. This is where you can customize how you get notified about interactions on your content. Scroll down a little until you see the option labeled Comment Daily Digest. This is the setting that allows you to receive a summary of all your comments in one notification each day. To enable it, simply tap on Comment Daily Digest and select On. Once turned on, Instagram will send you a daily notification summarizing all the comments on your posts, so you can catch up easily without being interrupted throughout the day. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Comment Daily Digest notifications on Instagram. This feature helps you stay connected with your followers and engage with comments more efficiently. If you ever want to turn it off, just follow the same steps and switch it back to off. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips to make the most of your Instagram experience. See you next time.